汉语拼音 Scheme for the Chinese Phonetic Alphabet Part 3 In this video, you will learn how to pronounce the 4 tones of Pinyin correctly, where to place the tone mark, and the spelling rule about the tone. Have you ever heard a saying, Chinese character looks like a picture, and Chinese language sounds like a song? That's because we have 4 tones. Now let's see how we write them. This is the first tone, the second tone, the third tone, and the fourth tone. Never look down upon the small marks, because the difference in tone makes the difference in meaning. For example, these 4 syllables have the same initial and final, but different tones. Now, please treat the 5 lines as the musical notation. With the first tone, we read it high and flat. Shu, shu. And with this character, it means the book. The second tone is a rising tone. It sounds like asking a question or feeling surprised. Shu, shu. With this character, it means ripe. The third tone is the only one which makes a turn from a short falling to rising. Shu, shu. With this character, it means the mouse. Then the fourth tone is a falling tone. Pay attention. Do start high enough, otherwise there's no enough room for you to fall. Shu, shu. With this character, it means the tree. Alright, let's practice more of the 4 tones. First, row by row. Follow me. A, 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 a. O, 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 o. E, 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 e. I, 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 i. U, 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 u. Ü, 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 ü. Now let's read them again by column. A, o, e, i, u, ü, a, o, e, i, 啊、哦、以、五、与、啊、哦、意、物、语。Well, after learning how to read them, let's get into how to write them. There is no doubt that the tone mark should be above the vowel. So, when a syllable contains only a single vowel, the tone mark is placed directly above the vowel letter. For example, 他、我。But when the final of the syllable is composed of two or more vowels, the tone mark should be placed above the vowel pronounced with the mouth widest open. And the openness of the mouth for the vowels, from widest to smallest, is as follows: 啊、哦、一、乌、吁。For example, in the syllable 好, the vowel 啊 is wider than 哦, so the tone mark is above 啊. And in the syllable 谢, the vowel is wider than 一, so the tone mark should be above 呃. And the only exception is 优. The tone mark should be placed above vowel u instead of vowel i, which is opposite to the rule. And there is another spelling rule caused by the tone. The dot over the vowel e should be dropped if the tone mark is placed above it.